Welcome back to Impossibly Kosher. Today, we're going to be making the perfect burger right on the stove. Starting off, I like to use original minced meat. You can use lean if you prefer, but I find that original gives a better and juicier tasting burger. Fat in this case is flavor. Without manipulating the meat too much, form your patties to be about 4.5 inches wide and about 1.5 inches thick. Let's keep it simple by seasoning both sides with kosher salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and gently pat the seasoning onto those patties. Now let's get cooking. Set your stove on high heat and add in a good amount of any oil with a high smoke point. I like to use grapeseed oil as it does not alter the taste of the meat. Once nice and hot, get your patties in the pan. Wow, listen to that sizzling sound. Cover them and let them cook for about 4 minutes per side. While you're waiting to flip those burgers, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. Oh, perfect timing. Now let's flip the burgers and take a look at that great color. Now get the cover back on and leave it for another 4 minutes on the other side. Once done, uncover. Just by the look of them, you can tell that they're going to be incredibly juicy and delicious. Now take them out of the pan and time to start layering. Starting off with my favorite homemade buns. Check out our video on how to make your own burger buns at home. I like to add a mix of mayo and ketchup and a bit of cayenne pepper onto the buns. Next, I like to put lettuce, then tomatoes, and finally, the juicy, thick burger. Next, I like to put caramelized onions on top of that. And finally, the top bun. There you have it. Juicy, flavorful, and overall, the perfect burger. Right here on Impossibly Kosher. If you didn't get a chance to do it while the burgers were cooking, now it's a great time. Hit the subscribe button down below and click the bell to get notified of new Impossibly Kosher videos. Also check out these awesome videos.